see him in this at all in this video, but there are some unbelievable Northern Lights right now. Mom and Dad, they will attest to that I'm not just making it up. Did you see him? Yeah. I think maybe they're there. All the way across. Look at it from over here. Oh, you can see him good there, yeah. Look at it behind that cloud there. How bright it is. And look all the way across here. All the way across the sky there. There's the moon.
Wow, we're surrounded. Oh, that's the moon. There's the moon. Yeah. Oh, it worked out pretty well, didn't it?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty